Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this problem. Find the square root of 8 minus 2 root 7. To solve this problem, we write square root of 8 minus we write square root of 8 minus 2 root 7 to be equal to square root of x minus square root of y, where x and y are real numbers. X must be greater than 0 and y must also be greater than 0. So to eliminate the square root, we square both sides. So we have 8 minus 2 root 7 is equal to square root of x minus square root of y all squared. So by expansion, x minus 2 root 7 is equal to square root of x minus square root of y into square root of x minus square root of y. So to expand this, square root of x times square root of x is x. Square root of x times minus square root of y is minus square root of xy minus square root of y times minus square root of y. Minus square root of y times square root of x will be minus square root of xy. Then minus square root of y times minus square root of y is plus what? Y. So here we have 8 minus 2 square root of y is equal to x minus square root of xy minus square root of xy will give me minus 2 square root of xy plus y. At this point, we'll compare both sides, the two expressions on the both sides using the equality of sum. In equality of sum, when you have square root of a plus square root plus, let's say, b is equal to square root of c plus what? Plus d. So by comparison now, you have b is equal to d, and also square root of a is equals to square root of c, where c is equals to where a is equals to c. So we are going to use this principle to solve this. So having known that, we now have 8 is equal to x plus y to be equation 1. Then we have minus 2 root 7 is equal to minus 2 root xy. So minus 2 will cancel this minus 2. So if you find the square of both sides, you now be left with 7 is equals to xy, which is equation 2. Now we are going to solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. Now solving it simultaneously, we can make x the subject of the formula. So if you make x the subject of the formula, x to be, we have x to be what? To be 8 minus what? Minus y. We can make it equation 3. Now you substitute this equation 3 into this equation 2. So to get x, so we have to get y rather. So we have 7 is equal to, now anywhere you see x, you put 8 minus y. So here I'm going to put 8 minus y into what? This y. So by the time you multiply out, you have 8y minus y squared. We can rearrange this equation in the standard form of a quadratic equation. So because it has the highest power of 2. So here we have y squared minus 8y plus 7 is equals to 0 by arrangement. So at this point, you factorize. So you factorize. What two numbers are you going to multiply to give you 7? And when you add them, it will give you minus 8. The two numbers are minus 7 and minus 1. Therefore, what you will do is that you open the bracket here and put your y, close it, open another bracket, put your y. Then the two factors should be written inside each of the brackets. So minus 7 as the first factor and the second factor minus 1 equals to 0. So y minus 7 is equal to 0, or y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 7, or y is equal to 1 when you put it to be 0. Now, we have not gotten the value of x. To get the value of x, we substitute y into equation 3. The value of y into equation 3. So we have x is equals to 8 minus our y is 7. So we have 7, which is equals to 1. Therefore, x is equals to 1. Or if you substitute y to be 1 in equation 3, we have x is equals to 8 minus 1. Therefore, x is equals to 7. Now, at this point, 8 minus 2 root 7 is equals to, now, from the beginning, the square root of x, we have gotten our x to be 7 or what? Or 1. We have gotten our x to be what? 7. 7 or what? Or 1. But remember, your x has to be greater than what? Than y. Therefore, we are going to consider our x to be 7. So we write root 7 minus our y will now be root what? Our y is 1, so we now have root 1. So 8 minus 2 root 7 is equals to square root of 7 minus square root of 1, which cannot be equal to square root of 7 minus 1.